Hi, welcome to IELTS Preparation for Beginners. Hope you saw our other videos about IELTS test. If you are not, you can view it now or later. The links of the videos is in the description. Today, we discuss about IELTS listening section. In listening section of the IELTS, you will listen to 4 recorded texts, monologues and conversations, mostly by the native speakers. Then, you have to write your answers to a series of questions given, which are based on the recorded voice. This listening session include questions which will test your ability to understand main ideas and detailed factual information. Also the ability to understand the opinions and attitudes of speakers. Sometimes, the ability to understand the purpose of an utterance. Then, the ability to follow the development of ideas in the voice. Time allotted in this session is 30 minutes. Now, we look into the details of the listening session. There will be 4 sections under the listening section of IELTS. Section 1. A conversation between 2 people on an everyday social topic. This means that you will listen to 2 people talking to each other about arranging a trip, organizing an event, etc. Section 2. This is a talk by one speaker on a general topic. This means that you listen to one person giving information about a public event, a service provided, etc. Section 3. This is a conversation between 2 to 4 people in an educational or training context. This means that you listen to up to 4 people talking to each other about an assignment for a course or an academic subject in a seminar, etc. Section 4. This is a monologue on an academic or study-related topic. This means you will listen a person give a lecture or talk, which is focused academically. Now, things to keep in mind. Focus on the first 2 sections is on listening to the specific factual information. However, in the last 2 sections, in addition to factual information, you have to focus on the speaker's attitude and opinions. You will be allowed approximately 30 seconds to study the questions before the test begins. Use this time to check what kind of information or answers are needed in that particular section. At the end of the listening test, the answers must be written on the answer sheet. After the test, you will be given 10 whole minutes to copy all your answers to the answer sheet, and only then you need to be doing that. And the last thing is, do not mistakenly choose to copy the answers to the answer sheet during the time given before each section begins, because that time is for you to concentrate on reading the questions about the new section, to understand what's coming up or what kind of information you need to focus on in the new section. So, hope you got it. Stay tuned for more videos of IELTS. If you like the video, please subscribe and share to your friends.